Adhivakta Parishad. The authors of the book, Mr. Rishiraj and Prince Shukla ji, ladies and gentlemen. I personally feel that sufficient details have been discussed about the book by my predecessors, and they have explained its various aspects. In my opinion, I will just like to add that this book is not only the constitutional journey, but is also the legislative journey during the last 10 years. The various legislations which have impact on the common people which have been enacted by this during the last decade have also been mentioned in detail. I have seen all the 4 parts of the book. It mentions a few amendments, and it has also indicated how the governments from 1950 onwards had been trying to, in fact, capture the judiciary in their own way. Right from 1951, some examples have been given at page 13 and 14 of the book. The attempt was, by 99th Amendment, was to make it at a proper channel. And if at all there were 1 or 2 deficiencies in the enactment of the amendment, it could have been easily tackled by the court, and by removing those deficiencies, the court should have upheld the amendment. In any case, if the amendment is not upheld, or even if there were no amendment, the government has handled the situation regardless of those amendments and regardless of their judgment. I am reminded, because of this book, that as students of law, there is always such kind of enthusiasm to write something, to write a book, to write an article, to write something. In fact, I was discussing with these young fellows that I was reminded of my own times in early 80s when I was university student. There was a book on the contemporary topic during those days, Directive Principle Jurisprudence. And I had the occasion to contribute a couple of articles in that. So this is, when you are a student, young student, you have many ideas, and as young students, you can contribute to the development of law. I am sure this book is going to be useful to all the students, to the lawyers, to the legal fraternity, and to all of us. And the time which my colleague Borkarji was saying that he has taken more than adequate time, I will compensate that, and I would make good, and I would complete my sentence by saying that I am really grateful to the Pragya Sanstha, Narendra Modi Adhyan Kendra, and the authors of the book to have given me this opportunity to be talking to you. Thank you so much.